Hello guys, welcome back to Bezel of Tech. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to clear your RAM cache. Have you been experiencing slow process of your PC and you've been trying to do one or two things and you've been observing that your PC has been lagging and is very slow? So I'm going to show you the process which I did for mine when I discovered that my cache was actually filled up and it was slowing the process of my PC. So the first thing which you're going to do right now is to come to this place and click on Task Manager. So you open the Task Manager of your PC. So after opening the Task Manager, you come to Performance. So I've cleared mine, so you can see it. This is 4 MB, which is stored in the cache already. So let me push it by this side. So to push that by the side, you press Windows and direction key. So if you press left, it moves to the left. You press right, it moves to the right. So you're seeing that. So right now, I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to go to my browser. And I'm going to be downloading RAM map. So I've downloaded RAM map on my PC. I'm going to include the link to this RAM map, which is provided by Microsoft. I'm going to be including the link to this RAM map in the description of this video below, so you can have access to it and download it. So we are going to be downloading the tool RAM map, and after downloading the tool RAM map, you are going to extract it. So you can see I've extracted it inside a folder. So I extracted this inside a folder. So the folder is on my desktop. So inside this folder, this is the RAM map. So the RAM map has been exported. So and now you can see, after opening the RAM map, you are going to look for the one with the highest size, which is 662, this RAM map here. So you right click on it, and run as administrator. So after running as administrator, you're going to see the RAM map open. So I had it have it open. Okay, let me open it. Let me do that. So right click and run as administrator. So after running as administrator, so let me push this by the side here. Let me push the RAM map by the side here and cancel this. So you can see this is 726, right? So you can see the memory cache, you can see it 86. So right now we just come to empty here, an empty standby list. So you can see it's reducing already. Maybe I press empty standby list. So this is one of the fastest way and easiest way for you to clear your cache when you're experiencing slow system. So is your system slow and you've been trying to get it to work faster and your cache is filled up as a result of what you are running? You know, most times while we are running our PC, it takes up space. So you can clear those space by following this process. So like and subscribe to this video and share it to anyone who is in need, and you see beautiful content from this channel. Bye.